In this video, I will show you how to make a person to appear double in a screen, okay? So you don't have to split or use the mask tool. Just one click, you can turn out a clean and professional video looking like this.
Listen, if you really want to succeed, you have to be consistent every single day. No excuses, just pure focus.
Yes, so let's get started now. Let me show you how to do that step by step. So if you are new in this channel and Miracle Update, in this channel I teach video editing tutorials and editing mistakes you should avoid to keep your video look professional. So if that sounds like what you want, kindly hit the subscribe button and stay connected, okay? So let's dive into the tutorial now. We are going to use UCut to achieve this. This is UCut over here. So click on it, then let it load and open, okay? Once you open, click on the plus icon, then click on new project, import the video you want to work with, okay? So I will quickly import a random video for the purpose of this tutorial, okay? So this is the video I want to use here. So you don't need to split anything or use the mask tool. With just one click you can get everything done, okay? So this is so easy and it also look professional. So let me quickly show you how to do that. So slide through this corresponding tool at the top. Slide through, you will see field effects. So once you see this effect over here, tap on it, then type on slide, you will see mirror. Okay, this is mirror over here, so tap on it. So once you tap on it, click on this two, the one that show two, click on it, long press.
Listen, if you really want to succeed.
All right, so can you see it? So after doing this, the next thing you will do is tap on this little arrow over here, then click on video end to extend it to the end of the video. So can you see, this is the outcome of the video now.
Listen, if you really want to succeed, you have to be consistent every single day. No excuses, just pure focus.
All right,
Listen, if you
see how the thing look nice. So this is a simple method to do this effect. So right now you can now apply this effect to your video without using the mask tool or without splitting your video, okay? So hope you found value from this video. If you do, kindly hit the subscribe button to stay connected for the next video I will post, okay? I would like you to stay the next video you would like to watch next, okay? Then I'll see you in the next video.